Live life king size, says many, but then who wants to work for it? I don't want to be average in my life. कल Monday से पक्का I'm going to start a new chapter of my life. From tomorrow, definitely I'm going to wake up at 6 in the morning. Says many of us, but then who wants to work for it? It's not about you, it's about me as well. So hi, I'm Yashvi Gupta and I hope that all of you must be doing fantastic. So let's start with today's topic. The topic is commit to achievements. Now understand what does achievement means. For everyone, the definition of achievement varies. Okay, for me, achievements are the small steps that I take for myself, and if they go in the right direction, then these are the achievements for me. Now understood that I am going to share my story with you is till December 2019, I was a lazy person who doesn't want to work, who doesn't like to work, who knows how to speak but doesn't want to speak. क्या बोलूँगी, क्या करूँगी, राइट? जैसे सब चल रहे थे वैसे ही मैं चल रही थी. But then I decided that I did not feel good about myself. I did not feel positive about myself. I was going towards a downward trend, towards a negative trend. But I am a person who never wants to go towards a negative trend. This is the thing about me. So from January, I decided that I need to change myself. I started waking up at early in the morning. The girl who used to wake up at 11 or 12 noon wakes up early in the morning at 5:30. I felt good about myself. I started feeling good about myself. There, I felt that it's not about the big things of your life. It all starts with the small achievements that you have made. So who says that Subah Utna is an achievement? But I says it. Let me tell you why it's an achievement. Because see, if I've started adopting for one good habit, the day 2 I'll start adopting for second good habit, and then the things continues. And when it continues, definitely one day I'll be a person with good habits, with good thinking, with positive mindset. And this will all start from day 1, where I started with my small things, and I call that small things as small achievements. So decide this thing from today only, that whenever you do something for yourself, whenever you do something good for yourself, admit that thing as an achievement. Now most of us are not committed towards our achievements because we think achievements is a big thing only. Now change your mindset and take achievements as small starts also, and then you see that how you'll be committed towards them. Now there are 3 simple things that I want to tell you, that how you can be committed towards yourself, how you can be committed towards your achievement is. First thing, as I've already told you, start small. If you have made big plans for yourself, cut down to small parts and cut down to small goals, and then started work from them. Because whenever you make a long goal, what happens is you do it for like 3 to 4 days and then there's a break. So we do not want that break for ourselves, right? So start small. The second thing is learn that 5-second rules. In 5-second rules is whatever comes in your mind, okay, within 5 seconds stand up and go for that work. Okay, so that's how you can work on yourself. And then the third thing is decide an opportunity cost for yourself. Now what is an opportunity cost means is that if you have decided something like I want to achieve this thing, from tomorrow I want to wake up at 6 in the morning, but then what you do is you don't wake up, right? So you are not committed towards your achievement. It's also an achievement waking up early in the morning, because 90 or 95% of people do not wake up at early in the morning. They're sleeping. So when they're sleeping, you wake up and work on yourself. This is where you are running in the race. You are ahead of them. Okay, so decide an opportunity cost for yourself. So now how does that work is, if I wouldn't be able to, I decided that opportunity cost, that if I wouldn't be able to wake up early in the morning, I am not going to make a video that day. So that fear arises in my mind, right? That, oh shit, if I won't wake up, definitely I'll lose that opportunity for myself, which I don't want to. So automatically my mind works like that. And also, please do not cheat yourself. If you're not able to fulfill the goal that you have decided for yourself, go for that opportunity cost. Bear that. Then only you will be able to realize the importance of it. Okay, so easy, very easy 3 steps. Now work on it, and then you see that how automatically you'll start change the definition of achievements in your mind. Okay, and then automatically you'll see that how quickly you are committed towards your achievement. So this is basically how it is going to work. I hope that you like the video, and if you have any feedback about me, I love it when you guys give me feedback. So if you have any feedback about me, just please write down that in the comment box, or you can DM me or tell me. Okay, till the time, keep growing and keep smiling. Do not forget to smile every day.